When it comes to pumpkin pie filling, most people think of canned goods from the supermarket. However, what's lesser known is that the first commercial pumpkin pie fillings were created in the early 20th century by food companies. One notable company, Libby's, developed a condensed pumpkin pie mix in 1929. The original recipe included a blend of pumpkin puree, sugar, and spices packaged in a can with a wax coating to prevent spoilage. This innovation revolutionized home baking and made it easier for people to enjoy pumpkin pies without having to cook from scratch. Interestingly, Libby's canned pumpkin pie mix quickly became popular across the United States, especially during the Great Depression. It was seen as an affordable alternative to traditional recipes that required fresh ingredients. Despite its widespread use, the original canned pumpkin pie filling recipe remains a closely guarded secret among food companies. However, it is widely acknowledged that the combination of pumpkin puree and spices has remained relatively consistent across different brands and generations. Today, many home bakers still opt for using fresh pumpkin puree instead of canned mix, but commercial products have made it easier to access high-quality ingredients during the limited fall season. Interestingly, Libby's continued innovation in the area of condensed pumpkin pie mixes extended beyond traditional recipes. In 1934, they introduced a new product that would become a staple in many American households: canned whipped cream. The popularity of these convenient products was fueled by their ease of use and affordability. As home baking became more accessible to people from all walks of life, the demand for prepackaged pumpkin pie fillings continued to rise. Interestingly, Libby's innovations went beyond just filling recipes. In 1938, they introduced a new product that would simplify pumpkin pie making even further: canned pie crusts. These pre-made crusts consisted of flour, butter, and other ingredients, which were mixed together to form a flaky pastry. This innovation allowed bakers to easily produce professional-looking pies without requiring extensive baking knowledge. Libby's commitment to creating innovative products that made home baking more accessible has left an enduring impact on American food culture. In summary, the story of Libby's canned pumpkin pie mix and its predecessor, condensed pumpkin pie fillings, is a testament to the power of innovation in the food industry. These products have shaped American baking traditions, making it possible for people from all backgrounds to enjoy delicious pies during the fall season.